Are you ready to delve into the multifaceted world of research project evaluation? This video will guide you through assessing research outcomes, understanding their significance, and exploring their broader impacts. Discover how evaluation can enhance both academic and practical applications. Evaluating research outcomes involves assessing how well they address the original research question. It includes determining whether the research objectives were met and if the findings align with the initial hypothesis. This process helps in understanding the extent to which the research has achieved its intended goals. It also identifies any unexpected results that may have emerged. This evaluation is crucial for validating the research's effectiveness. Every research project has its limitations, which must be acknowledged. These can include sample size constraints, methodological flaws, or external factors affecting outcomes. Identifying these limitations helps in interpreting the results accurately. It also provides a foundation for suggesting potential improvements. Addressing these issues can enhance the reliability of future studies. Improvements in research can be suggested to overcome identified limitations. Increasing the sample size or employing more robust data collection methods are common recommendations. Enhancing data analysis techniques can also lead to more reliable results. These improvements aim to strengthen the research's validity. They ensure that future studies build on a solid foundation. Research often leads to recommendations for future studies. These suggestions can include exploring areas not fully covered in the current research. Changes to the research methodology may also be proposed to enhance reliability. Such recommendations aim to guide future research efforts. They ensure that subsequent studies are more comprehensive and insightful. Conclusions summarize the key findings of a research project. They relate directly to the research question, highlighting the significance of the results. Conclusions also consider any unexpected outcomes and their implications. This section is essential for understanding the overall impact of the research. It ties together the various elements of the study. The significance of research findings is evaluated within the broader field context. This involves considering how the results contribute to existing knowledge or practice. Understanding significance helps in appreciating the research's value. It also identifies areas where the research has made notable contributions. This evaluation is crucial for recognizing the study's impact. Research outcomes have practical applications that can benefit various industries. These applications include informing policy decisions or improving practices. Identifying specific areas where findings can be applied is essential. This ensures that the research has a tangible impact on real-world scenarios. Practical applications demonstrate the relevance of the research. The long-term impact of research outcomes is assessed to understand their broader effects. This includes evaluating potential changes in the field and future studies. Long-term impact also considers how the findings influence academic discourse. Understanding these effects is crucial for appreciating the research's full value. It highlights the study's contribution to ongoing developments. Research outcomes are compared with findings from similar studies. This comparison helps in contextualizing the results within the existing body of knowledge. It highlights similarities and differences, enhancing understanding. Such comparisons are essential for evaluating the research's contribution. They provide insights into how the study advances knowledge in the field. Research outcomes contribute to the advancement of knowledge in the field. They can provide new insights, confirm existing theories, or challenge assumptions. This advancement is crucial for the development of the discipline. It ensures that the research adds value to the academic community. Understanding this contribution is essential for recognizing the study's impact. Research findings can significantly influence policy decisions and practices. They lead to the development of new guidelines or modifications to existing ones. These implications ensure that policies are effective and grounded in recent research. Understanding this impact is crucial for appreciating the research's practical value. It highlights the study's relevance to real-world applications. Research outcomes guide the implementation of interventions by providing evidence of their effectiveness. This leads to more strategic and targeted efforts in areas like healthcare or education. Effective implementation improves outcomes for communities and individuals. It ensures that interventions are based on solid evidence. This application demonstrates the research's practical impact. Theoretical frameworks within a discipline can be advanced through research. Outcomes may validate or challenge existing theories. This advancement paves the way for further theoretical developments. It ensures that the research contributes to the academic discourse. Understanding this impact is crucial for recognizing the study's theoretical value. Research outcomes can lead to economic benefits, such as cost savings in public services. They also contribute to improved efficiency in organizational practices. Socially, research enhances quality of life and social equity. These benefits demonstrate the broader impact of the research. Understanding them is crucial for appreciating the study's full value. Research outcomes can significantly enhance understanding of the studied topic. They fill existing knowledge gaps and provide new insights. These changes influence future studies and academic discourse. Understanding this impact is crucial for recognizing the research's contribution. It highlights the study's role in advancing knowledge. Research findings can inform policy decisions and lead to new guidelines. This impact ensures that policies are effective and grounded in recent research. Understanding this influence is crucial for appreciating the research's practical value. It highlights the study's relevance to policy and practice. Such impacts demonstrate the research's real-world applications. Research guides the implementation of interventions by providing evidence on their effectiveness. This leads to improved outcomes for communities and individuals. Effective implementation ensures that interventions are strategic and targeted. Understanding this impact is crucial for recognizing the research's practical value. It highlights the study's role in real-world applications. Research contributes to the advancement of theoretical frameworks. It validates or challenges existing theories. This impact is crucial for the development of the discipline. Understanding it ensures that the research adds value to academic discourse. It highlights the study's theoretical contribution. Research outcomes lead to economic benefits like cost savings and improved efficiency. Socially, they enhance quality of life and social equity. Understanding these impacts is crucial for appreciating the research's full value. They demonstrate the broader effects of the study. These benefits highlight the research's significance. The impact of research outcomes is multifaceted, affecting various aspects. It influences knowledge, practice, policy, and theoretical frameworks. Broader economic and social impacts are also significant. Understanding these impacts helps appreciate the research's full value. It guides future efforts and highlights the study's comprehensive contributions. In conclusion, our research outcomes significantly influence knowledge, practice, and policy. Their multifaceted impact highlights the comprehensive contributions of this study. Understanding these effects provides valuable guidance for future research efforts. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 07000 484 300 and 61688.